Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform the initial setup on your Samsung The Frame TV. Begin by pairing your pilots with your TV. To do so, press and hold both return and play pause buttons for about 3 seconds. Then you will see the Bluetooth animation in the top right corner of your TV. Once your pilot is paired, you'll be able to select the language using top and bottom icons, top and bottom buttons on your remote. And to select the language that you need, press the central circle button. Now, you can choose how to set up your device. You can either use the smartphone setup or the remote control setup. In this video, I will show you how to perform the remote control setup on your TV, so we'll do everything step by step. So first of all, tap the right button on your remote control and then press the central button to confirm. Select your country or region in the same way that we did with the language. Then press this circle button. Now create a PIN code for your device. To select the digit, you have to navigate between them using left and right arrow keys, or basically the left and right keys around your circle, and to select, press the central button. So provide your PIN and confirm, and once you set up your PIN, tap OK. Now you can select either the home mode or retail mode. In most cases, I recommend using the home mode unless it's not your home TV or anybody else's home TV. Unless it's it's not your home TV, select the home mode. Now we're gonna have to connect to the network. So select the network from the list the same way we selected language and region, and then provide the password to your network. To navigate on this keyboard, use the buttons around your circle, and to select the digit, press the central button right here. And once you enter the password to your Wi-Fi network, navigate to the Go button and then press the central button to confirm. Wait until your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and then we're gonna have to agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy to continue the process. In my case, everything is in Polish, but basically, yeah, basically just select each option and then press the central button to hit the checkbox next to it, or just select I agree to everything. Then tap OK. Then select Start Setup. I accidentally went back. So you can either sign into your Samsung account by scanning this QR code you see on the screen, or you can go to their website, or you can just use your remote control set. Let's use the remote control. And now we're gonna have to provide the email and the password to the account the same way we enter the password to the Wi-Fi. So just give me a moment. And as you entered your email, select Next, and then provide your password in the very same way. In case you want to make any letter capital, you can either use the Shift button or press play pause button on your remote. And then you can press it again to make the letters smaller. So now let's enter the password and then select go. Then select sign in. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, so once you are signed into your Microsoft account, you can select stay signed in option and press the middle button to hit or uncheck the checkbox. Then select next and confirm. If you want to register your product using this device's serial number, hit the checkbox right here by pressing this central button and then select register, or just skip this step by selecting skip and pressing OK. Now let's set up the backup information. You can backup general information like Samsung account, TV name, TV serial number, model name, country, postcode, PIN and registered device list. You can also backup broadcast information, home screen, and to agree to the storage of backup data, hit the last checkbox on the list and select backup. Then wait for a moment. Okay, and once you see the updating screen, wait for a while until your TV is fully updated, and do not unplug your TV during the update process. Now let's wait again. And now let's set up the voice assistant by pressing the middle button to select next. Now you can sign into your accounts by selecting one of these services like Prime Video, Sky Showtime, Megago, and Apple TV, or you can just skip this step by selecting skip option right here. And now, for some reason, we are asked to provide the PIN code again. I hope you remember how we did that. Now you can select your TV source, so it can be a cable or a satellite box, aerial, or no broadcast signal. For now, I'm gonna select no broadcast signal, but you can select your, you should select your preferable source. Then select next to confirm. Then let's select next once again. And let's just skip this out mode introduction by pressing the right button several times. Okay, so we're almost here. And right now your TV is fully set up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.